Hello everyone. Let's see how to create a dual lighting effect in any photo using Photoshop. So, open your photo in Photoshop. Now, go to Image, Adjustment, and choose Black and White. Here, select the maximum black preset. Hit OK. Go to Select, Subject. Once the subject is selected, then choose any selection tool, right-click, and choose Layer via Copy. Create a gradient map layer. Now, here open the color picker and choose a blue color or any other color of your choice. Hit OK. Change its blending mode to pin light. Select the mask of the gradient layer. Select the brush tool and make sure the black color is selected in this color picker. Now, start painting over the backside area of the subject like this. Right-click on the gradient layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Again, right-click on the gradient layer and choose the duplicate layer. Select the mask of the copied gradient layer and then go to Image, Adjustment, Invert. Click on the copied gradient layer and open the color picker. Then select a red color or any other color of your choice. Hit OK. Now, the background looks so dull. So, select the bottom layer. Create a brightness and contrast layer. Here, increase the contrast up to 80%. We are done here. Let's see the final result. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials.